ngale ngitshela ugogo wami lezi thing ngogogo wami uthatha izinto personal for no reason ugogo wami uthethisela ugogo wami uthanda ukuthetha for yonke into la gogo wami mogeza how ugwebo lungaka ugeza izitsha nje ugwebe ugogo wami khani ngicala ngithi isponge asikhumbula ugogo wami uthethisela yonke into ngithi gogo naye emhlolo upheni uthi simfana athi Tina anginike ifona ngiyemfonela ngithi pheni beka nama number wakhe athi angithengele ibhotsotsi le time 5 rand yakhichima yakudwa kangasunza yaringa beyibamba pen hello Penny yes me is the monkey yes it's the me is the monkey emhlungisa kokho kwamsizela le it's the me is the monkey hoof Gogo impena yethu ufu but ugoyiza impena ikhonkotha wena it's the me it's a hoof so we're a monkey Tina your mother yes it's the hoof you have 1 minute remaining lalela Penny this time is gonna be finished ne Hey, wena lalela. Yawena Penny. Who's this? Is the queen monkey. It's the queen of them all. Gogo hey angangijwayela ngifuna sibiza ngalezi zinto akasazi ngaleyo ndlela. Hey wena hey. Ukhathekile yazi. Angike ifafa ngifuna umthinta futhi ngodala. Because I'm like hey, it's the monkey. It's the queen of the monkey. The hoof. Gogo imfene ikhonkothi ukawe ibona imfene ikhonkothi wena. So was imfene zana lokho. Yo, wena.
I gotta point you in the direction of one of your homeboys. There's something about